Optimism is always good, but how good it is to your portfolio, we should know that. It's normal, but some fortunate people are more optimistic than rest of us. And if you are genetically owned by optimism bias, that you hardly need to told you are lucky. Sometimes we don't know. So why worry? It will be, probably it will happen, and that is a uh, I have another person who told me that, Rachna, I am going to give this money and somebody is going to give me, if I'm not wrong, 40 to 44% returns. And I still remember I said, no, it's not the right thing. He may lose the principal. Please don't do it. And I said, he said, no, his business is so good. He's going to do in a five-star hotels. And I said, you have to understand that sometimes very fundamental. If somebody is giving you 40% returns, it means that a person has to earn more than 40% anyway. And do you think somebody who is starting up will earn more than 40%? And he says, yes. So sometimes we don't know what to do. And I told, okay, go ahead. I don't agree. And it may, after 2 years, he came back and that I'm putting a case and all. I said, what happened? Because he's not even giving the interest, not giving the principal. He has shut down his startup. So these are very, very high. I can say that they are so optimism about somebody else fund is doing good and somebody else. Try to be stick to the fundamentals. The fundamentals never goes wrong. This is my belief, that even the best of, you can say, valuation of the fintech or something, they will also work well, whoever is giving them funding, when they realize that you are growing. Your PNL has to grow. So otherwise, nobody will continue to do funding also. So human tendency is, most of the time, is believe that it is better is going to happen. It's good to have, but too much positive also, we have to be realize what is a pessimist and the optimist side. Overpay the assets is not like one of the other customer has told this. I know that this area things are doing good and I will take the land. And he overpaid the land so much that now he's telling, with, even if I'm not taking even interest cost, I'm not able to sell at the normal principal level also. So I said, why you took it? This thing, no, I was assuming that ring road is coming, the metro is coming, this is coming, and this will go much more. So why don't I took it? So sometimes it is not that we don't expect the positiveness, but we should do to some limit, and then you take it and take the investments option part of it.